All right, so today I'll be talking about embedding HTML iframe and how to link HTML page. All right, so an HTML iframe, short for inline frame, is an HTML element that allow you to embed another HTML document or web page, all right, within the current web page. It creates a window or frame within web page where you can display content from another source, typically another website or web application. All right, so let me break it down. For example, if you have a video on another website and you want to like display a video without you uploading the video on your website, you just want the video to be, on your website, but you don't want to have the file on your website. That is exactly what the work of embedding HTML iframe does. Okay, so that is the work of iframe. So, and when we talk about how to link HTML page, all right, this refers to creating hyperlinks between web pages to allow user to navigate between them by clicking on links in HTML. You can create link using anchor tag, which is the anchor element. All right, so this is what I want you to understand. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this particular one here, which is the iframe. So, and to do that, we are going to bring the tag for the iframe. All right, so bring the tag for the iframe. This is it. Then I will close it. All right, so inside here we are going to have the source. Okay, so we are going to have the source. So inside this particular source now, we are going to have the other website URL. All right, so inside the source we are going to have the other website. So we are going to make use of YouTube. All right, YouTube link. So we are going to have other attribute like the height. So we are going to have the height. So I'm going to give it a height of 315. All right, so we are giving it a width of 560 now. All right, so we are going to still have another attribute called the title. All right, so the title is going to be called YouTube video play. Okay, let's just have the title as player. All right, so we are still going to have another attribute, frame border. So we are going to name this one frame border. All right, so we are going to have this one to 0. We are having another attribute which is allow. So we are going to say this allow inside here acceleration. So we are going to have something like so we are having a semicolon. So we are going to add autoplay. With a semicolon. So we're going to have a clipboard. Going to have a clipboard, right? So we're going to have unscripted. The let's look at the job on this. Okay, this is it. So this is what we have here. So if you click on play now, it's going to play. $500 every week by designing these beautiful pictures you're seeing with AI. So you can see now. So alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce the height and see what we have. Let's remove the height and see what we have. Okay, so since we have the weight, I'm going to take this weight now to 560, and I'm going to bring this to 315 as before. All right, so let's look at the website and see. Okay, so we have a smaller one now. So this is it. So this is it. Okay. All right, so that is how to work on this. So this is, if you get all the code, all the necessary code, all you just have to do, you can just copy the link of the website down here, all right, and paste it here. Okay, that is for that.